In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time your slides on Google Slides. If you want a presentation to run on its own for a kiosk, a classroom display, or a looping slideshow at an event, Google Slides makes it simple with automatic slide advancement. I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up, then share a few practical timing tips so your audience can follow along comfortably. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. When you're ready to present, click Slideshow. Your deck will open full screen. Move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the screen to reveal the on-slide controls. Click the three dots labeled More Options. From the menu that appears, select Autoplay. You'll see a list of preset timings, such as every 3 seconds, every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds, and more. Choose the interval that best fits your content. Once selected, your slides will advance automatically during the presentation at that pace. This feature is officially supported in Google Slides and is designed for self-running presentations. It's especially handy when you don't have a host guiding each click, or when you want a reliable, repeatable pace for viewers passing by a display. A good way to pick the right timing is to think about how much reading or viewing each slide requires. Text-heavy or data-rich slides benefit from slower intervals like 10 seconds or longer, while simple visual slides can move along faster. As a general guideline, many presenters aim for about 1 minute per slide when speaking live. For an autoplay setup, that's often too slow, but the principle still applies. The more complex the content, the more time you should allow. You can also use your speaker notes to guide pacing when you rehearse. Add quick reminders such as spend 30 sec here or demo else 2 minutes. Even if the deck is running on its own, these notes help you decide which timing preset is realistic. It's important to know that Google Slides does not currently offer a PowerPoint-style record slide timings feature inside the normal editing mode. Most users rely on the timer in Presenter View, the autoplay settings you just learned, and a few practice runs to fine-tune the pace. Before showing your presentation publicly, preview it once end-to-end to confirm that each slide feels readable and that transitions don't rush key points. Keep your slides clean and focused, since crowded layouts can force viewers to read more than the timing allows. And that's it. With autoplay enabled and thoughtful pacing, your Google Slides can run smoothly on their own.